No.
Hey guys, you can see what game I'm playing here, and if you're not dumb enough, you might see all my other videos. And you guys, I hope you liked my video so far. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a good, happy life. And nobody gets like this. No. I hate these people. John. And if
Zachary, you gonna eat that pizza or you want me to throw it away?
keep it in the freezer.
Yeah, but you're gonna be gone tomorrow.
I know, but
It won't be any good till Saturday.
you guys can eat the last.
You want it?
You and Papa can eat the last. I said. Well, that will end it here, guys. See you in the next video.